I'm getting squished by my retarded brother. Yes, you YouTube people. If you want to come to our house, we live at 485 West Mulberry Street in Kankakee, Illinois. So you can look up that house. Come to our house and kill my brother. Please, YouTube. Not really, but the reason why I made this video is because I wanted to tell you something. Do not go to retard poopy poppy. Retard poopy poppy. Like retard, not with the capital R. Like regular retard. Then poopy. P-O-O-P-Y. And then poppy. P-O-P-P-Y. Okay? Don't go to it. Okay? Just don't. Don't. Okay, but actually, I gotta tell you something else. Do not go to Blue Waffle. Blue, like the color blue. Blue Waffle pictures. Just don't do it. Don't. Yeah, I can see you. You're right there. Nincompoop. Oh yeah, I gotta tell you something else. Rate and subscribe, YouTube viewers. Oh yeah, and I can go to your email and see what email yours, and I can send you a couple dollars if you rate and subscribe my YouTube page. Nah, just do it. Just do it, man. Just do it.